Hi, my name is Clinton. I am the leader of Team A, and here are my group mates. In this video, we are going to present about Singapore Airlines,
along with some of the company's highlights.
And how SIA use IT to solve their problems.
with the help of two idiots named Arun and Guan Liang.
The boys are fighting is not good.
Two hours later.
Yo, Guan Liang!
Funny are you?
Is it quite funny? How's life?
Fine lah. Hey, you know I just came back from a trip from India.
Wow, sure. Never mind, sure.
Yeah lah, but I think the flight there is more enjoyable.
You mean the flight? More enjoyable than your time you spent in India?
Yeah.
Siao. Really siao.
Hey, shut up lah you. You got take SIA before or not? You know, the flight has practically everything. You know, it's like heaven. You know, there's games, music, movies, etc.
Hey, hello! I still got take SIA before 7 years ago. But not like the heaven you described. Boring as hell, I tell you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you awake? Do you want to eat dinner already? Excuse me, sir. Are you awake? Dinner is ready. Do it ready.
Times have changed lah, you old timer. You know, over the past few years, SIA have improved in terms of entertainment.
Excuse me, sir. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Okay. Excuse me. Oh. Okay.
Why do you even bother finding out about SIA? I mean, there's so many other flights. Why SIA?
Why don't bother? Have you seen advertisements?
Where?
Do you watch TV?
No.
Use computer?
Rarely.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Over the past few years,
SIA have been using IT to advertise their services through internet and various social networking sites. Compared to a few years back, SIA used flyers to advertise their promotions.
Flyers? Who even cares about flyers?
that's why SIA has been using internet and social networks to advertise their services, like how I encountered SIA in Facebook.
So you've been talking about this all this while?
You jealous ah?
Hey, cannot ah.
Yeah, true lah. Hey, you know why I choose SIA now?
Why? Because Manisha like.
No, because SIA have a lot of interesting benefits.
The SIA is interesting in buying our membership. Our membership will include benefits as you travel. You can go and take these 5 miles and accumulate points that way. And because of these 5 miles, you can get 50%.
In this membership, you can earn Cruise Flyer Miles, which serves as points to redeem SIA travel reward, priority reservation waitlist, and many more interesting benefits.
Well, there was once I worked part-time in SIA and wow, I really had a really hard time myself.
I really like my job, but I had to encounter people who spoke languages that I don't understand.
Sorry, say again?
那个航空公司，请问哪一个一带需要中国？
啊？ 飞机 31st May to 2nd 29 June.
不是，我要飞家，中国这 China。
Oh!
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is originally this is Singapore Airlines, then you can take account the ticket counter over there, okay? And yeah, it's quite good. You might want to consider it.
谢谢。
Thank you. So it's like up there and up there. No, excuse me. Wow, but honestly, I tell you, this continues, SIA will lose a lot of customers really.
Yeah, but fortunately, SIA cannot do a solution.
Oh,
With IT.
Explain or not, IT? How lah?
With the help of IT, SIA has created a handphone application which has features that can change the language. Now, even that China man you couldn't help can help himself.
Okay, SIA a little bit better, no?
A little.
Fine now, best what you gonna do? Oi!
okay. So here we have it, guys. The story of the two idiots featuring Arun and Guan Liang, especially Guan Liang. We hope that through this video, you have learned more about how SIA was like back then, the problems SIA faced, and how SIA uses IT to overcome its problem. Thank you and bye, guys.
Hey, what's up? Get!